recent leaks have revealed exciting details about Xiaomi's upcoming flagship phone, giving us a glimpse of its features and specifications. Multiple trusted sources have shared information about the phone's camera, design, performance, and other essential aspects. One of the most exciting aspects of the device revolves around its advanced camera system. Leaked design schematics from Chinese sources, shared by Sanju Chudhary on Twitter, show that the phone will feature a circular camera module with 4 sensors. The layout includes a top-mounted lens and 3 additional lenses positioned at the bottom. The front of the phone will have flat edges with a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. This design refresh suggests a sleeker look compared to its predecessor. One of the most talked-about features of this flagship model is the inclusion of a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. According to the leaks, this sensor will likely be the same Samsung ISOCELL HP9 sensor that we've seen in the Vivo X100 Ultra. This periscope camera is expected to offer exceptional zooming capabilities, marking a significant upgrade from the 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 camera in the previous version. Further camera details indicate that the device will come equipped with a 50-megapixel 1-inch main camera, which is the same sensor that performed remarkably well on the previous version, producing detailed and dynamic shots. The 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 sensor is expected to offer OIS, ensuring that even the tiniest movements won't affect picture quality. The ultra-wide and telephoto cameras are also anticipated to feature the same 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 lens, providing users with a 122-degree field of view and a 75mm focal length for detailed shots. Moving to performance, the Gizmo China suggests that the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, or Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will enable faster processing, improved graphics, and enhanced efficiency. This power-packed processor will be paired with a new 2K display that features micro-curvature on all 4 sides, enhancing visual clarity and the overall viewing experience. This next-gen processor is expected to offer top-tier performance for resource-intensive tasks, coupled with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM, allowing users to experience seamless multitasking and smooth app usage. According to Gizmo China, the phone will house a 6,200 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without frequent charging. Reports also mention that the phone will run on Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15, promising a smooth and optimized software experience. In terms of build quality, users can expect a premium feel. Gizmo China suggests that the phone will be available in 3 different material finishes: plain leather, fiberglass, and ceramic. This variety in finishes gives users the opportunity to personalize their phone's look and feel. The phone is also expected to feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. According to reports and database entries, the device is expected to be launched in early 2025, with possible release windows being either January or February. Leaks suggest that the device will see a global release, with variants appearing in Chinese, European, and Indian markets. As for the price, industry experts suggest the price may range from $1,200 to $1,500, putting it in competition with other high-end smartphones like the iPhone and Samsung Galaxy Ultra models. Is the 200-megapixel periscope camera enough to make you consider switching to Xiaomi for your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed on the latest tech leaks and releases.